Alright, I'm out here at Main Street in Collierville. As you can see, we got another upgrade here. As mentioned in my previous video, the bell here has been replaced. And this one is with another Safetran Type 3 electronic bell, as you can see up there. Also, I will admit, I don't know why it's specifically this crossing, especially, but I mean, Collierville and the Memphis area in general just kind of reminds me of like the Midwest, especially like Illinois. But this crossing especially reminds me of the Midwest, especially the areas Tommy frequents, including especially Chicagoland. Tommy, if you're watching this, you can comment and let me know what you think. But yeah, just thought I'd show you a quick upgrade here, showing you that there's a new bell up here in our Safetran Type 3 eval on that signal. Just got one more upgrade here to get documented, and then I'm gonna hang out and wait at Collierville's last mechanical bell, see if it still works. Over and out.